Fuck! Okay, that sucks. Of course I die there. Of course I die there. I literally don't even know what to do anymore. Because it's been an entire hour since I've been there. And it was in practice mode. Of course I don't know what to do there. It's been a fucking hour. It's been a fucking hour I've been trying to get past this fucking terrible first half. Oh my god. Fucking god, I forgot to click. Oh, you're serious right now, bro? Oh, I forgot to click. I could have so fucking fluked that. I mean, no, actually, because there's this part at 89 that's absolute bullshit. I'm going to die there like 3 times at the very least. I'm calling it. But oh my god, I shouldn't have died there, bro. This is so stupid. It all comes from lack of practice. There's no way. I fucking touched the Q portal. Why did I fucking die? I fucking touched the Q portal, bro. Oh my god, you're gonna tell me even this is a bug? Like if you're too close to one of these slopes as you transition into the cube, you die, bro. This wave is fucking stupid. It's so hard. It's literally as tight as the wave in Azurite. This is a hard demon. This ain't an extreme. Like fuck. Oh, dude. I'm so tired of this level. Hold on, because I'm about to commit a murder. If what I think is true, I'm about to fucking commit a murder. And I'm pretty sure, I'm like 100% sure it is true. Yeah, it is. Yeah, look at this. These are fucking ground spikes. So that means that if you reach this point right here, no, actually this, right here, you know, with the wave, you could theoretically go down, you know, you could still survive. But because there are these ground spikes right there, you can't. And you die automatically. This is so fucking bullshit. When I thought this level couldn't get more bullshit, it fucking did. Oh my god. I'm actually going to kill myself. Fucking knew it. Fucking knew it. Kill yourself. This timing is the worst in the entire level. This is funny, huh? This is funny. It's also gonna be funny when I put a knife up your ass. I honestly find this depressing more than anything. Bro, this is not even funny anymore. This is just bro. I'm not even fucking joking anymore. This is the why? This is so sad. This is actually so fucking sad, dude. This is getting on my nerves so much, dude. This is getting on my fucking nerves so much. This was like the last click I had to pass before all of the fucking choke points could just go away for like a while. And you know, I could have had a chance. But of course I died at 59 at this at the worst click of the level, without a doubt. I completely forgot what to do there. This is not funny. This is not funny. The level itself might be funny, but dying over and over again at the exact same worst fucking click of the level is not funny, dude. Oh my god. This is not real. This is not real. Dude, this is a nightmare. This is definitely a nightmare, dude. Oh my fucking god, dude. When am I going to stop dying at this fucking useless piece of shit of a timing? I'm so fucking tired, dude. Oh my god. I'm fucking. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Oh, no. Bro. I can't take this. I can't take this, bro. I can't fucking take this. I want to clear this tomorrow, but I know that tomorrow I will have lost all consistency on this level as well as memory, because yes, I consider this level fucking memory because all of the fucking transitions you have to memorize are fucking insane. Yeah, so if I beat this, I mean, if I leave this until tomorrow, I'm gonna have to learn it all over again, and I don't fucking want to. You know what? I'm just gonna hop on practice. Fucking god, please go kill yourself. Please. I'm sick of this fucking level. I'm sick of it. It started lagging so fucking hard right as I passed to the wave. What does that mean? What does that mean when a level is starting to lag extremely hard right after you pass the hardest part? What does that mean? What does that mean? That means the entire universe is giving you a massive middle finger right inside your butthole. That's what it means. I fucking love this level, dude. I fucking love this level. It's so fucking hilarious. Kill your... Fucking course I died to this retarded fucking click again. I'm so fucking done with this level, I fucking swear. I'm so fucking done with this fucking stupid ass level. I'm fucking done. Man. I swear if I don't fall asleep before beating this level, it's a fucking miracle. Because I've never been so bored and upset at the fucking same time. This is the first time a level's done this to me. This is insane, dude. This level is, oh my... I don't care, bro. This level is worse than 9 circles. I literally do not fucking care. This level is worse than 9 circles. It's worse than it's worse than electrodynamics too. It's worse than those two at the very least. I don't know if it's worse than chaotic system and stuff, but it's really close. It's really fucking close. I don't even know what happened here. I don't even want to know what happened here. All I want to do is fucking kill myself right now. I literally cannot fucking stand this level. Even when I reach the easy part, the part that sings to the song where you just blindly have to fucking click to the song. Even if the gameplay is blind, you just have to click to the song and nothing else. Even at that part, I managed to mess up somehow. Man, I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. Bro, please let me beat this level for fuck's sake. I swear to God, I'd rather just take a rope and like I don't know, man. I don't know what I would do with that rope, honestly. There are so many fucking options. The best option would be hanging myself, though. Sick. How long is the completion video going to be if I include all of those fails at this dirty ass wave? How long is it going to be, dude? Oh my god. Oh, it's actually going to be over 2 minutes long, I'm pretty sure. I'm on the verge of tears. I'm genuinely on the verge of tears. Of course I was gonna die there. Kill yourself. What am I supposed to say here? I've said everything that needs to be said. There's nothing left to say. This is just sad. This just gets sadder and sadder. Every time. Every time it just gets sadder and sadder. This is the saddest level I've ever played. Like even if I play like a tribute to Michigan, I swear it won't be sadder than this. It will not be sadder than this level because this level is so fucking genuinely mentally draining. It's fucking insane. It's insane. You die exactly at the same fucking places, and when you finally pass them, you get fucked in the ass one way or the other. It's just like that. It's just like that. This level's just built like that. It's crazy. Oh my fucking god. This level is so fucking sad. It's so fucking depressing. Like, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. You know what? You know what just happened? It's so fucking hilarious because, um, basically when I transitioned and then I hit the purple orb, I died and then I started, like scratching my eye. And instead of Rainfall 3, I read Painful 3. And you know what? This would be such a better name for this level. It would be such a better name for this level. It's actually insane. And yeah, in case you were wondering, I did die to a bug here, because if you hit this fucking pink or purple orb too late, you skip the little platform, and you go directly onto the blue pad, which just sends you on a fucking spike. Fun, really, really fun. Because you couldn't just extend the platform to avoid that bot. That would have been too easy, right? Because of course we all know that to make difficulty you have to make inconsistency, because there are no hard levels that are consistent. The moment I transitioned into that UFO, I knew this would happen. I fucking knew it would happen. I fucking knew it would happen. Oh my fucking god. Oh, bro, this level couldn't get more inconsistent. This is so painful. This is actually so painful. This level, this entire level is the definition of pain. It's, after all, it's Painful 3, as we all know. Fucking kill yourself. Please fucking die in hell. You literally deserve to die. This is not a gameplay. This is mental retardation. You belong in a mental asylum. You literally belong far away from society. You do not deserve to be free. You should be in jail. You should be tortured to death. Please die. Fucking die. I am fucking sick of this bullshit. It's been 3 fucking hours. 3 fucking hours of grinding, and I'm fucking tired. I would like, please, to just get a new best for today. Not even beat it. I just want a fucking new best. And I messed up twice because of this fucking 1 IQ gameplay. I want to cry. I want to fucking cry, dude. Why? Why on earth? Why on earth did you feel the urge to create the worst level of all time? This is debatably worse than Bloodbath. And I'm not even done with Bloodbath. And I can already say that this level is debatably worse than Bloodbath. I've decided, I don't care, I've decided this is worse than Chaotic System and Fairy Dust. And even Crazy 3. I literally do not care. I literally do not care. This level is absolutely fucking terrible. It combines boredom and annoyance, like to such levels that I didn't even know it was achievable. I didn't even know such a fucking terrible piece of shit was achievable. This is insane. This is insane, dude. I would rather go back to doing runs on Silent Clubstep than play this shit anymore. I'm just beating it for the hard demon list. I swear if there was no hard demon list, I would have fucking dropped this level and I would have left a massive hate comment on it, no matter how many dislikes I would get. Fucking die and never fucking come back. Kill yourself, and you know what? Kill yourself. I am fucking done for today. I cannot fucking take this anymore. This is too much. This is too much. I swear I cannot fucking take this anymore. It's fucking 1 a.m. and I'm going to sleep. Kill yourself so fucking hard and never fucking come back.
Bah, j'ai été mal proche, j'étais rapportée, mais j'ai fait S, 6 points, on te dit quoi, quand t'es en S, on te dit pas, ah
Every fucking attempt I get to 54 at the very least, or I die to a bug. That has to mean something, right? This is the full detail. Tell me how the fuck you're supposed to go through that wave with so much fucking light and glow going on. Imagine beating this in full detail. I could never. This is so funny, dude. This is so fucking funny. This is so fucking funny, dude. This is so fucking funny. I didn't even mean to fucking exit. This is so fucking funny, dude. Why the fuck do I get fucking leg spikes, bro? Oh, dude. Good. Oh my fucking god. Oh. This ain't no fun no more, bro. This isn't even funny no more, bro. Oh my fucking god, let me beat this fucking retarded level, please. I fucking missed. I missed the speed portal, dude. Oh my fucking god. Bro, this does not happen. This does not fucking happen, dude. Oh, I fucking missed the speed portal, dude. Oh, bro. Oh my god, I knew I was gonna die there, but I didn't expect to die in such a fucking retarded way. Oh my god, this level is so unplay tested, it's actually fucking insane. What did I die to? Please tell me, I am eager to know. What the fuck did I die to? Every fucking time I pass this retarded wave and those two fucking silent clicks, every fucking time I end up getting fucked in the ass like that. All of my death past 58 or 59, I don't know, are all so fucking stupid. They're all just so unfair. Oh my god, I fucking can't. Oh my. Bro. This level was not created by a human and it was not verified by a human. It was created by an AI and it was hack verified. There's no way a human actually created that, played it, verified it, and then thought, yes, that is a good level. There's no way. There's no way. You hear me? There's no fucking way. Fucking kill yourself! Bro. Go fucking kill yourself! I hope you fucking die. I hope tomorrow in the news I see this fucking stupid ass person fucking died in a car accident. Fuck you. Kill yourself, you literal fucking retard. Kill yourself. I fucking clicked, you fucking useless piece of shit. I fucking clicked. If someone dares say this level is good, I swear to God, I'm going to find them, I'm going to torture them, I'm actually going to rip off their neck and drink their fucking blood. Why? Why is this fucking portal so small? Why can you fucking miss it? Bro, How was that not... Bro, how do you verify a level and you don't even realize that buffering a fucking click will make you miss a gravity portal? If this was on purpose, honestly, this is the worst gameplay idea I have ever fucking seen in my life. The dumbest, the stupidest, the most worthless, pointless piece of shit of an excuse for gameplay that I have ever fucking seen. Thank you for having the most massive lag spike ever, you fucking piece of shit. I am going to cut my finger off. I am going to cut my finger off. Why did this have to happen? When I got far into the level, why? 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 Oh my fucking god, I'm actually going to fucking kill myself. Never has a level tormented me so fucking much. Oh. Fuck you, genuinely fuck you. Suddenly, it's so fucking easy, right? Yeah, when I do runs, it's so fucking easy, but going from 0, of course I'm gonna have the worst luck ever. Fucking kill yourself. Of course I die! Of course I die at this fucking ship! I'm lagging so fucking hard! I clicked, you fucking... I fucking clicked! I fucking clicked! Oh my fucking god. Bro, this level is hard demon? This level is hard demon? That is a lie. That is a lie. This level is not hard demon. This level is not hard demon. This level is extreme demon. It's harder than bloodbath. I have never struggled so fucking much on a hard demon. I have literally never fucking struggled so much in completing any level, actually, not even a hard demon, just any level in general. Bro, I practiced so fucking much, yet completing the level is just impossible. I cannot put into words how I'm feeling right now. I'm legit tearing up right now. I cannot express how I'm feeling right now. This is the worst experience I've ever had in my life. Getting beaten up as a fucking child felt better than playing this level. Why is this not a buffer? It's literally a blind transition, dude. Why is this not a buffer? I thought it was a buffer. I always buffered it and it worked, and now it doesn't. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god. You know what? This never happened. This never happened. This never actually happened. You know what? This never happened. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Please. Please, I'm fucking begging you to please end this. Please. Please. Please, I'm going psychotic right now. I'm going fucking psychotic. You know, I got to the point where I literally cannot fucking let all of my frustration out. I'm so frustrated that I literally cannot let it all out. Even if I start punching the walls and literally breaking them apart, even if I burn this entire apartment down, all of my frustration will not be evacuated. I will still have a hell lot inside of me. I cannot play this level anymore. I cannot. This is oh my god, I can't even call that mental torture because mental torture is too nice. It's too nice, it's too pacifist for what this level is doing to me. Fucking kill yourself! Oh my fucking god, finally! Finally, I can stop playing this level forever. I never have to play this level ever again. Oh my fucking god! Oh, fucking kill yourself! Oh my fucking god! I can't look at this level anymore. Oh my fucking god! This is the worst level of fucking time. I can't even speak right now. I can't even speak properly, dude. What the? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck all of your fucking relatives. They're literally the reason you were brought here. And they shouldn't exist. They shouldn't have existed. They should die. They should have died just like you should die right now. Fucking kill yourself. Oh my fucking god. I know I'm going way too far right now, but this mentally tortured me so much. I cannot express how much this affected me, dude. Oh my fucking god, this is the worst experience. This is the worst experience I've ever had in this game, in my entire life. Actually, like even going to the hospital against my will for an entire week, feeling sequestrated in there. This doesn't even come close to this fucking level. Even getting beaten as a child doesn't come close to what this level has done to me. Oh my fucking god. Finally, dude, it's over. It's fucking over, dude. If I could dislike a level as much as I wanted, I would make sure this level has the exact same amount of likes, but times -1. Oh my god, this is it's finally over. This is the worst level I've ever played. The worst level I've ever played, like, no doubt. No fucking doubt. Yeah, whatever, dude. Oh my god. Okay, wait.